Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to fix slow buffering issue on Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Whenever you try to stream or play any anime video on Crunchyroll, you might not be able to play the video because of slow buffering issue on Crunchyroll. So there are some solutions to that. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection or internet connection on your mobile device. So go ahead and check for your internet connection and make sure that it's working properly. Once you do that, open up the Crunchyroll application and check whether that will help you to fix the issue. And if that still doesn't work, then you have to make sure that your Crunchyroll application is updated. For that, open up the Play Store application and on the search bar, type in Crunchyroll, and if your app is missing out any updates, you will get update option where I have opened on this application. So update the application. Once it is updated, open the application and check whether the problem is solved or not. And if still not, then you have to clear the cache of Crunchyroll on your device. For that, open up the settings application on your device. Now tap on apps. Again tap on see all apps. There you will get all the installed application on your mobile device. From here, tap on Crunchyroll. Once you land on the app info page of Crunchyroll, there you will get storage and cache. Tap over there. And on this page, tap on clear cache if you have logged into your account. That will delete the junk file linked to Crunchyroll, and once you do that, tap on clear storage. Here you will get a dialog box with an information that says this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. If you tap on OK, all your file settings will be deleted. Now once you do that, open up the Crunchyroll application. Now you have to log into your account again. Once you log into your account, your issue will be solved. And if still not, you can simply uninstall the Crunchyroll application from your device and then install it again from the Google Play Store and then log into your account again. And that will help you to solve the slow buffering issue on Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get updated the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.